So you talked about Travis Scott and Live Nation, but is there anyone else do you think that's responsible?
There's going to be a number of entities responsible. Travis Scott individually, I think, is going to be responsible. I think Drake deserves some responsibility here because he continued to sing after all this was going on and was brought out as the, quote, special guest, even when people were yelling for help at the front of the stage. They continued their show. I think Travis Scott's promotion company has some responsibility. NRG is going to have some liability here because that's where the event was held. Live Nation, of course, and all of its entities. There's going to be a lot of defendants in the case. Now is the time to start learning about those defendants. As you know, I haven't filed a lawsuit. I could have filed a lawsuit already if I wanted to. But rushing out to file a lawsuit leads to mistakes by lawyers. They would rather have the publicity than rather doing it right. I've done this before. I did it exactly against this particular defendant, Live Nation, in the MGM case that resulted in an $800 million settlement. But I didn't rush out to file a lawsuit without having the proper defendants. It's going to take me a couple days to make sure that I have all the right defendants. And when you see my filing, it'll be correct. It'll allege all the correct allegations and the law, and I'm going to do it right. I'm not trying to be first here. I'm trying to be right. And so I would anticipate, 10 to 12 actual defendants in this case, 2 of which will be in their personal capacity as well as their business capacity, and that will be Mr. Scott and Drake.